Every month, money comes in, and every month, somehow, most of it quietly disappears. You're not reckless, you're not spending crazy, but it leaks. Today I'm going to show you the 5 hidden leaks that quietly drain almost everyone, and exactly how to plug each one. Meet Sam again. Sam works hard, gets paid, and at the end of the month opens the wallet and thinks, where did it all go? Let's find the leaks. Leak number 1. Lifestyle inflation. Sam gets a raise, feels amazing. So Sam gets a nicer place, a newer phone, a few little upgrades, all deserved, right? But watch what happens. Income goes up, and spending climbs right beside it, step for step. The gap between them, the money you actually keep, stays at zero. It's a treadmill. You run faster, you earn more, you spend more, and you never actually move forward. Leak number 2. Lazy savings. Say Sam finally saves $10,000. It feels safe, just sitting there in the bank. But inflation is a quiet little monster, nibbling away at what that money can buy. 10 years later, the number looks the same, but it buys far less. Money standing still isn't safe. It's slowly losing. Leak number 3. Subscriptions. Look at your phone. All those little apps. $5 here, $12 there. The streaming service you forgot you were paying for. Each one feels tiny, but together they're a bucket full of holes. $80 a month is $1,000 a year, leaking out while you're not even looking. Small, but deadly. Leak number 4. Paying yourself last. Most people pay everyone else first, the bills, the rent, the wants, and whatever's left over goes to savings. But there's never anything left over. So flip it. Pay yourself first. The moment money lands, the very first coin goes into a jar marked Me. Then make it automatic so you never even see it leave. Leak number 5, and this is the biggest one. Idle money. Cash sitting in a corner, doing nothing, gathering dust. Money is supposed to grow. 1 coin becomes 2, 2 become 4. Like a snowball rolling downhill, it starts tiny and ends huge, but only if you let it roll. Money left sleeping could have doubled, even tripled. That's the most expensive leak of all. So here's the whole fix on one simple list. When you get a raise, keep your spending flat. Don't let your savings sit still. Cancel what you don't use. Pay yourself first, and put your money to work. Same job, same paycheck, but 1 year later, the stack beside Sam is finally growing instead of leaking. Plug the 5 leaks, and you don't need to earn more to keep more. I'll see you in the next one.